The selection of Porsches where you buy it at the moment is incredible, and here's another prime example. So this car's a 911 GTS in jet black, 24 plates, 992, 2,500 miles, so beautiful miles, full body PPF with beautiful specification. It's a GTS, so that is a great model anyway, 480 brake horsepower, so fun to drive. GTS Interior Package, which is a key one, £3,500 option. Front axle lift. It's got BOSE, it's got power steering plus, sports exhaust, sports Chrono, sunroof. Beautiful specification, but great miles. The miles make such a difference. I think it's done 2,544 miles from new. And like I said, full body PPF, full Porsche service history, Porsche warranty till 2027. GTS wheels, they're finished in matte black. You've got red calipers, sunroof, it's all de-chromed. We've got a lovely little bit of privacy glass on the rear. And certainly when you pick them up at this price range, I think the car's priced $118,990. They're a great car for the money. The miles are superb, and specs very important. So to get something like this, which has got your GTS Interior Package, which has got things like power steering plus, it's also got heated GT steering wheel, carbon interior, and then the protection of the PPF. It just makes all the difference. And then interior, this is beautiful. So the GTS Interior gives you this beautiful Alcantara. You've got the carbon in the doors, across the dashboard, BOSE, heated GT steering wheel. It's also got things like surround camera. It's got Carmine red stitching, Carmine red seatbelts, rev counter in Carmine red as well. And it just is a lovely little sports car for someone to buy and enjoy. All the roof linings in Alcantara. And I've said it in the past, 911 Carrera GTS is as good of a sports car as money can buy, because I think you can get in them, you can use them every day if you wish. Switchable sports exhaust with a sports Chrono. You've got your front axle lift on there as well. You've got heated seats, you've got your sunroof, you've got your surround camera. Light design package, so if you can see the ambient lighting illuminating. Carbon interior. Tilt and sliding sunroof, BOSE sound system. Just great spec. There's other extras that I've missed, but the key ones have been mentioned. Great car, fantastic miles, price to sell. And then it's got the PPF, full Porsche service history, and still under warranty. Call me if you need any more info.